SoFi stock just keeps on going, guys. Man, I'm freaking pumped. I got my double espresso on deck, and we have to break down what is going on right now on the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, and where I see SoFi going in the short term. But first, guys, of course, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks for a moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that deal is a no-brainer, and the clock's ticking, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get right into the video. So it's about 12:20 p.m. right now on the East Coast, and let me tell you guys, there's a lot of green across the board. We have the Russell up 1.7%, the small cap index. We have the S&P up 0.1%, Dow's up 0.8%. NASDAQ is down a little bit, about 0.25%. But overall, we're up across the board. The VIX is pretty much flat at 15 points, and we have the metals, the safe haven assets down across the board. Silver's down 2.6%, and we have gold down 2.8%. Those continue to tumble after last week. Last week, the metals started to sell off. They're still selling off, guys, and we have SoFi up almost 10%. You heard that right, guys. We're in the middle of the day, and SoFi's up over $14 a share. It's up 10%, which is just insane. And I was reading that SoFi now is on the biggest multi-day rally in over a year. I think I just read it here. SoFi stock climbs above $14 as it heads for best 5-day run in over a year. Well, I'm not surprised considering 5 days ago it was at $10.60, and we're up 33% off of that low, which is just insane. Unbelievable, right, guys? So this stock is completely breaking out. Every day it seems like it's getting more overbought, if you will, but it keeps on going, even though it's overbought, even though the RSI is screaming red, which goes to show, I mean, sometimes the RSI, even if it's overbought, even if it's screaming red, it doesn't mean the stock's going to crash. We've learned that the last week. Well, I learned that a while ago, but we've seen it play out with a couple of stocks in the past week. You know, just because the RSI is hot doesn't mean we're going to get a pullback right away. And the proof's in the pudding here on SoFi stock, Palantir stock, you know, Coinbase is another example. Side tangent here, Coinbase is up another 20% today, guys. It's unbelievable. I mean, this thing keeps on going higher, more and more overbought, but it keeps on going up regardless. So really, guys, we can't predict the exact top. That's the thing. That's what I'm trying to get at here. Even though a stock is hot, it keeps on going up. It can always go higher. It can always keep on going up. And that's exactly the case here with SoFi, right? We filled the gap to 1175, which we've covered before here on the channel. You know, that was the high from July of 2023. We filled that gap. Then we filled the gap to about $13 a share, $13.15, which I covered with you guys. That was the high, it looks like, for about a month early in 2022, late 2021. So we filled that gap, and now we broke out of it, and it looks like we're running towards $15.50, $16, which is where the stock was roughly during this time period right here. If I zoom in, you guys can see 15 to 15.50 to 16.50. This general range was resistance all throughout December of 2021, heading into the early days of 2022. So we are in, we're at a big resistance at this point. You know, we're overbought as well, but like I said, we can't really predict exactly when these stocks are going to pull down, especially stocks that are clearly favoring a Trump presidency, rate cuts. The fundamentals are getting stronger. Who knows what's going to happen with these stocks? I'm talking SoFi. I'm talking, stocks like Palantir. Tesla even keeps on going up. And obviously, that one's favoring a Trump presidency. SoFi is as well. Looks like a bunch of the small caps in general are. Who knows when they're going to pull back, right? But at this point, man, I think we're due. I know I've been saying that, but it's just like, man, when is this going to end? I think we're due. And I'm not selling out. I'm not trying to time the top or anything like that. I'm still in SoFi, and actually today officially I'm up over 100% on my position, which is nuts, man. I mean, these are stocks that I wasn't up much on, or this stock in particular, I wasn't up at all on about 2-3 months ago. And now I'm up over 100%. It is insane. My average cost is $6.80. Now we're at over $14. Yeah, it's crazy how that works. And like we've covered before on the channel, guys, stocks could be flat for 2, 3, 4 years, maybe more than that. And you're like, why am I still holding this? Then all of a sudden, boom, it goes up 100, 200%, and it makes up for all the lost gains from the last couple of years, and you're looking good. You're sitting pretty after that, right? And that's kind of how I'm looking at SoFi, which we've covered that before here on the channel. So, man, this thing is on fire, up over 9%. And we're going to get the pullback eventually, guys. It's going to come, but it doesn't seem like it wants to do that as of now, as of today. And I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments down below. And by the way, make sure to sign up to the email list. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. I actually just sent out an email earlier today, and it's completely free. Put your first name and your email using the link in the description box down below. And yeah, you're going to want to do that. A bunch of value there. So, man, this is a crazy green day. SoFi is not the only stock making a move like this. We have Coinbase, like I pointed out earlier in the video. This is up about 20% right now, which is nuts. Bitcoin is going crazy. The crypto market is on fire. Last I checked, Bitcoin was at $83,000 a coin, which now it looks like we're going to go to 100,000, guys. That's where we're trending. And this rally, I mean, it's been occurring. It's been going up, but the rally intensified after Trump won the presidency. So, Bitcoin's going crazy, crypto, Coinbase, space, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, which I feel like I haven't covered this stock in ages, but this one's up 20% on the day. Looks like the company reported earnings, but overall, Trump is very pro-space. He brought in the Space Force is what it's called, I feel like, and that definitely has to do with why Virgin Galactic has been going up a bit over the last couple of days, after earnings especially. So that one's up another 20% today. Stocks like Square, also known as Block, this one's breaking out after reporting earnings. Looks like they reported, I think last week or at some point over the last couple of days. Either way, yeah, there's a lot of movement, a lot of green, and guys, you got to be careful. Not saying that we're due for a stock market crash. All I'm saying is a lot of these stocks in the short term are disgustingly overbought. They just are. And you guys got to approach with caution. Not telling you to sell or do this or do that. All I'm saying is be very careful and mindful of the trades you're taking right now. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks from Moomoo using that link down below or by going to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal is a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.